The salmon fly, a robust insect that all fly fishermen dream of stumbling into a hatch. I didn't find a hatch, just one bug, but it was enough to get me to tie one on, and thankfully I did. So I don't normally fish from the boat, both because it's hard to do while rowing, but more importantly because it can be tough to land a fish when you're by yourself. You can see me here frantically trying to maintain control of the fish while trying to get closer to shore. Once I got into that shallow water, I dropped the anchor and I struggled to get out of the boat. I could tell pretty quickly, though, that it looked like that fish had taken the salmon fly. I had also had on a small squala pattern. That was really cool, considering that I had seen a bug a day before. I tied on that bug, and I actually caught a fish on that fly. That is really cool and really exciting. This wasn't the biggest fish of the day, but it was definitely the most fun. Okay, got one on the boat. I don't know if I got him on the salmon fly or if I got him on the doesn't even look that big, but man, in this current, he's a hard fighting fish. See if I can get him. Man, these fish sure feel good on a 3-weight. He's not ready yet. Looks like he might have went after the salmon fly. They swapped that, that's why. Sometimes they bat the dry fly. It looks like it might have got him on the back. That's why this current, you can see, swatted at it. Oh no. See if I can get him in the net. Oh, got him. Woo! Nice. Yeah, he swatted at the salmon fly. Love it. Well, I've been fishing hard today. You know, it's been a rough day. I lost a friend and I needed to get on the water to kind of have some zen moments, and didn't really care if I caught anything or not, but I got a nice one here, so I'm gonna hold him up for you here. I got him on the salmon fly. There he is. Let's get him back in the water. Yeah, you know, sometimes you just got to get out. Fly fishing is one of those healing things that, you know, if you're into it, you know what I'm talking about. Time on the water clears the mind, gives you new perspective. So that was my goal today, is just get on the water and just cast. And so it's nice getting a fish like this. So I'm going to see if I can do an underwater release. Yeah, if I get another one, you'll find out. But got him on a salmon fly, which is cool because I saw a salmon fly at my house, and I'll show you some footage of that. Or maybe I already did. I don't know. I haven't edited the video yet. So anyway, Jason's out.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way. down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong.
Oh, yeah, that was awesome. Oh. That was killer. Man, right where I thought he would be. Go get the net. Hey everybody, well, it's Memorial Day, and as you saw earlier, I lost a buddy a couple days ago. Pretty tragic, you know, unexpected. Not to bring that up again, but I think sometimes, like, this is Memorial Day, right? We need to be thinking about soldiers and people that are sacrificing themselves, and find your thing that lets you remember them and be, you know, have a peaceful soul. And for me, it's fly fishing. I get out here and, you know, in the nature. It's not really the catching the fish, although that's nice. But it's just, it's calming, it's peaceful. You know, I can reflect on things and be thankful, you know, for people that are in your life and people that have sacrificed for this country. And you know, it's just one of those days that I was glad I was able to get out, and I got a couple nice fish too. So you know, you can't beat that. But find your thing, you know, whether it's hiking or whatever it is, it needs to be out in nature. It's your time alone, out in the woods, out in a river, where you can reflect and find that peace. And so it's just a great way to do it. And you know, if you haven't fly fished, give it a shot. You got to get past that frustration curve, that hump. You know, once you get past that, then things go pretty good. But getting to that point takes some time, then it gets pretty frustrating. But I highly recommend you give it a shot, and find that thing, find that Zen activity that you can do to calm that heart of yours. So anyway, I got a little bit, few holes left. We'll see if I can get another fish. Stay tuned. All right, man. Charge Twins out. There's one. Okay. Right back in that corner there. They tend to like that. I'll see if I can get him to the net without losing him this time. pretty good fish. Oh. Whoa! I don't know if I can get him in the net or not. Come on, buddy. Oh. Got him! Oh. Oh man, nice fish. All right, got a nice one. Got it on a Pat Stone, kind of chocolate color, like a TJ hooker. So I'm gonna let this guy go. Been in the water. Let's get him up just for a flash. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and get him in the water. Oh. There he goes. Woo! Oh man, that was a nice fish.